Hello everyone, today we'll be installing SPC camber bolts in our 2023 BRZ. The BRZ and GR86 do not have adjustable front camber from the factory. Camber bolts will allow for around 1.75 degrees of negative camber for better turn-in and less understeer. Here are the tools you'll need to install them. There are two 19mm bolts on the knuckle. Using a breaker bar, break both nuts loose. Using a ratchet, remove the bottom bolt from the knuckle, then loosen the top bolt. The camber bolt has a lobe. Line up the tab on the washer with the top of the cam lobe. Insert the camber bolt in the bottom hole and start tightening it with your 15mm wrench and an 18mm socket. You can see as you turn the bolt, the knuckle will tilt in for negative camber or out for positive camber. Next, remove the top bolt. The factory top bolt is on the right and the bottom bolt is on the left. Replacing the top bolt with the bottom bolt that you removed to put in the camber bolt will allow for slightly more negative camber. Torque the bottom bolt to 98 foot-pounds and the top bolt to 114 foot-pounds. After you're done, be sure to take your car to an alignment shop to have the camber dialed in by a professional. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more BRZ content.